You might be hurting your cat without realizing it, several times a day. What are these everyday habits? I'll show you the first one right now. Number 1, petting. Too rough, unpredictable. Why it's a problem? Long, heavy strokes and surprise belly rubs overstimulate. Your cat feels out of control. The fix: use short, gentle touches. Stay on the cheeks-chin-forehead line. 5 soft strokes. Stop. If your cat asks for more, continue. If not, give space. Number 2, litter box. Too small, covered, noisy. Why it's a problem? It feels like a trap. Noise and smells raise stress and lead to avoidance. The fix: box at least 1.5 times body length. 1 cat equals 2 boxes. Quiet spot, away from food and water. Unscented fine-grain litter. Scoop daily, deep clean weekly. If accidents happen, add a low-entry backup, and after 1 week of success, slowly move it to the ideal place. Number 3, play. No daily outlet. Why it's a problem? Cats are hunters. Without a routine outlet, night zoomies, ambushes, and scratching go up. The fix: 2 10-minute sessions a day. Sequence, stalk, chase, pounce, catch. Keep the lure low. Let your cat win. How should it end with a small snack? If nights are wild, move 1 session to evening and feed after play. Number 4, food, sudden switch. Why it's a problem? Fast changes upset the gut and create food aversions. The fix: 7 to 10-day transition, 75, 25, 50, 50 to 25, 75 to 100% new. Use a food scale. If there's a hiccup, step back 1 phase and slow down. Number 5, scent, perfume, scented litter, harsh cleaners. Why it's a problem? Cats live by scent. Strong odors make places. And the box, unfriendly. The fix: unscented litter, ventilate rooms, use mild pet-safe cleaners, wash hands before petting to remove strong kitchen smells. Number 6, picking up without consent. Why it's a problem? Sudden lifting removes choice and balance. It can feel scary. The fix: offer a hand to sniff. Give a short pet. If your cat accepts, lift slowly with chest plus hindquarters supported. Set down before the struggle. Leave the carrier out all week with a soft blanket and treats so it feels safe. Number 7, vertical space. None do. Why it's a problem? In cat logic, height equals safety. No perches means the world feels exposed. The fix: add cat trees, shelves, window perches, plus a cozy hideout in each room. Place high spots near windows or calm corners. In multi-cat homes, create parallel routes up and down to prevent traffic jams. Number 8, punishment, yelling, sprays, swats. Why it's a problem? It may stop behavior now, but it doesn't teach a better option, and it erodes trust. The fix: manage and redirect. Sofa scratching? Put multiple scratchers right next to the target, vertical sisal and horizontal cardboard, then reward the first correct scratch. Counter surfing? Block access and offer a legal high perch by the kitchen. Reward perching while you cook. Night zoomies? Evening play, then feed. Number 9, routine, inconsistent day. Why it's a problem? Random timing creates uncertainty and stress. The fix: set simple anchors. Morning, play plus meal. Afternoon, quiet nap zone. Evening, play plus meal, then a calm hour with dim lights. Early wake-ups? Use an automatic feeder at fixed times. Number 10, subtle signs, missing early warnings. Why it's a problem. Cats mask discomfort. Tiny changes are early clues. The fix. Keep a 2-week log of sleep, appetite, jumps, litter habits, and grooming. If things shift, adapt the setup. Add ramps, steps, low-entry litter boxes, and wide bowls to protect whiskers. Bonus 1. Whisker stress at mealtimes. Why it's a problem. Deep, narrow bowls press whiskers and make meals unpleasant. The fix. Use wide, shallow bowls, slightly raised, and keep water separate from food. Bonus 2. Under-enriched home, boredom. Why it's a problem. A flat environment turns boredom into mischief. The fix. Add foraging toys, snuffle mats, puzzle feeders, a window theater, safe bird feeder outside, and a weekly toy rotation to keep things fresh. You are the kind of people who never forget to leave a bowl of water, who clean the litter box, who make time for play. Maybe no one else sees it, but your cat does. 5 gentle touches, 10 minutes of play in the evening, a quiet corner. Every little thing lights up their world. Your patience, curiosity, and compassion turn a house into a home. In your cat's eyes, you are the safest sound and the most beloved person of the day. Thank you for being here. Thanks to people like you, the world is a softer place. If you like, share a single little success moment in the comments. It might inspire another friend. If this helped, like and subscribe. Grab your free 1-page checklist in the description to audit your home in 10 minutes.